Polyester. Imported. Fun-sized, these 3.5 by 3.5 cornhole bags are smaller than traditional sized bags and are perfect for recreational games or for helping kids join the fun. Full bag set. This set comes with 8 cornhole bean bags, 4 red and 4 blue, so you'll be ready for a full 2-team game. Great replacements. Replace old, broken and lost bags, or add to your set so you can be fully stocked for tailgates, BBQs and more. Durable materials. These bags are constructed with a durable nylon cover and filled with fine gravel so they will last game after game. Start the fun. Bring these bags to the beach, the backyard, the park or anywhere else for some good, old-fashioned cornhole fun. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for cornhole. My dad got these for his cornhole game and they're very sturdy and perfect size and colored so you know which team you're playing on. Great value.